Okay, so now that you've created this base PLC program that you can use for all of your upcoming PLC programs where the configuration is already done, then you may want to find out where that's actually stored. Maybe you want to drop that onto a USB and then bring it somewhere else to another computer, or maybe you just have a program that you don't need anymore and you want to delete it. So the place where this is stored is shown right here. And let me show you how to find that on your computer. So you're going to open up your files here. So this is just your desktop explorer. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to local disk first. Okay, so we're opening up local disk. That's your C drive. And then within there, you're going to look for something called users. So this thing right here. So you're going to click on users. Okay. Then in public, that's just all your public things. You need to find the file folder that corresponds to your computer. In this case, this is my personal computer, so it has VREP, that's the name of the computer that I gave it when I first started up. So we're going to open up this file right here. So this will vary on each of the different computers you're on. So double click on this guy. And then down here, we're looking for documents. So we're opening up documents. And then finally, we're going to automation. So double click on automation. And there are all your PLC programs there. So my base PLC program I can open up, then has all of the files that correspond to that program there, and I can double click on this guy and open it up. So if you need to copy that program, you can just copy that entire file folder. The individual program is right here, so if I double click on this guy, it will bring up my base PLC program. And it's just opening up right now. Excellent. Okay, so there's my base PLC program. So the steps again, if we want to go back here, we were on our C drive here. We went to users, so double click on users, and double click on whatever file folder corresponds to your computer. Next, you're going to double click on documents, automation, and there's all your programs right there. So if you have a project that you don't want to use anymore, then you can just delete it out, and you can copy and paste anywhere to your USB and use any of these programs on a separate computer. Or you can just create a backup of all your programs in case your computer dies. All right, guys, thanks very much for your patience. We'll see you on the next video.